The N-zap 85, one of the best support weapons in the series. And in this game, it's no different. I mean, it has a pretty solid main weapon and a grid sub, and it has Tacticooler, aka, I really like that sound, the most broken special since Splatoon 1's Kraken. Let's destroy some people. I'm a coward, so I'm just gonna do turf war. Hope you don't mind. Why is the sound for the Tacticooler just so good? And why aren't the enemy team inky? Don't they realize they can stop the reslap? Man, I love new games because that just makes me destroy nukes. And get destroyed myself, apparently. Yes, be afraid of the Tacticooler. And launch off killer whales. Maybe you shouldn't be afraid. You should be afraid of my instant respawn. That would have been very entertaining. And we got wiped out. Oh, we wiped them out. Oh, what a great way to start the day. And we have 2 arrow sprays. I love arrow sprays. No, I didn't get my Tacticooler buff. Buff? Only to pronounce my names. I'll say here and I'll say it now. Seaside is the best band in the series. Like, I'll consider Seaside a better band than Off the Hook or Squid Sisters and Deep Cut. I think they're just the best. What happened? Jeez! Looks like there was a battle to the death behind me when I wasn't looking. Maybe I should have kept an outlaw going. Sounds so satisfying. Now, Hammerhead Bridge went from an amazing map to just walleye, but actually good. And by good, I mean somewhat mediocre. Well, to fair a lot of things, it's really easy to be walleye. But I will admit, Zipcaster is a blast on this map. Oh, like that person's using theirs, and failed to use. No, I didn't get him, but it doesn't matter, I can probably try again. Looks like I did. Never mind. Oh, I got someone with that suction bomb. Not the brush. Oh no, there's the brush. The brush ran out of... Ballpoint of Tacticooler? No, Ballpoint has inkjet. Wait, no, not Tacticooler, I meant Zip. My god, these questions are confusing me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye me. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye to me again. Okay. Before I continue on, I'm just gonna point out, like, I saw it on Twitter, but geez, some of the stuff in Hotlantis is overpriced. Like, let's see what's in here. Okay, no. Okay, $13,000 Thief Sale Man. 8,888 coins for a power clam. And I know the Rainmaker is 20,000, 11,000 for some star stickers. Oh, I'm actually good. I'm actually gonna take that real quickly. And I know that I found like a tripod earlier that was like over 100K for a tripod. What else is in the shop? Oh wait, no. I'm not gonna give up on how satisfying that sound. Man, I'm 2 for 2 for the battle sound interrupting me. Quick duel between me and the sniper. Before he pulls out the ink vac. And, you can't destroy the Tacticooler node. Oh wait, no, the charge is over there now. Super good camping, my old passion. Get on enemy. Power of Splatoon 2 colors compels you. The power of Splatoon 2 colors compels you to kill me, apparently. Well, I think this just color is actually in Splatoon 1, just way less vibrant. Like everything in Splatoon 1. Play the sound, don't interrupt me. Sound isn't nearly as satisfying. Like honestly, the Tacticooler sound effect has replaced the Mahi Mahi Resort water level dropping sound effect as my favorite sound effect in any video game. Mostly because this game completely ruined that sound effect. It's only played like twice instead of like once per second for 10 seconds like it was in the first game. 2 Splattershot Pros and 2 Carnivores. Great team balancing, Nintendo. Let's cast someone straight through me. And I ran straight into that. I ran straight into that too. Double kill. Oh, that roller dive bombed me. The Tacticooler's roof on. Got him, I'm getting away. Dude runs straight into the ink strike. Y'all rockin' with Quag Siren. Yes, I will be playing Quag Siren. I will have Quag Siren Scarlet Violet. I am definitely whatever Blue Bird I'll do. Yo, wipe out! Let's rub salt in the wound by killing them over and over. Aww. And I'm gonna talk about the fact that I don't think Eeltail Alley is an actual alley. Like, it's part of a canal. Or just a river. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's man-made. You gonna move? Yes, you are! Clap to shield! The worst part about getting a Tacticooler is that if you get it as soon as you get it, as it spawns, then it cuts off the sound effect. A little jingle. And that's infuriating. To me and no one else. I love the pigeons on this map. I'm not sure if it... Probably because they were also on Skippervillian, which was like one of my favorite Splatoon 2 maps. Why is there just a random unequal gold block in this area? Ah! I sniped someone with that suction bomb. I don't even know how that's possible. gone. Be gone, heavy weapons guy. Actually, why did I say that? I'm assuming their gender. How could I? There we go. It worked! And they didn't have respawn Punisher. Not very well, though. And wipe out. I think we lost. I'm not sure why I'm saying that, but I have the sneaking suspicion we lost. No, we might have won. I don't know. We might have won. Yep. I think I'm done for now.